Anything like that before in my life.
It's horrible, Josh. What is it?
I'm not sure, Beth. It must be some sort of xenomorphic alien organism. It must have been on that satellite that crashed.
And it's growing. Oh, my God, and it's heading for the town. We have to warn them. That scum has got to be stopped before it takes over everything.
Quick, let's get to a phone. We've got to alert the media and tell them to warn everyone.
If it isn't already too late.
Oh, no. The scum sees us. It's coming this way. Run!
No!
You ought to be ashamed of yourselves. Especially you, John. You're the oldest. You're supposed to set an example around here.
What do you mean? There's nothing wrong with it. It's only a movie.
Oh, yeah, that's what they all say. That's the trouble with this country today. People watch this trash, makes them crazy, sensitizes them, opens them up to the power of Satan. I know all about this kind of stuff. Starts out innocently enough, and the next thing you know, mothers are killing their babies, and little kids are running around with handguns, mowing down their little playmates.
Aunt Tess, a lot of my friends like horror movies, and I can personally vouch for them when I say that not one of them has ever turned into a sniper or killed a baby.
I do not appreciate your tone, John. Nor do I appreciate your taste in films. As long as I am here, my wishes are going to be respected. Understood?
Yeah. Well, I think I've had enough fun for one night. I'm gonna go to bed. I got a big day tomorrow. Night, guys.
Night. Yes, good night. I was about to suggest that myself. You should get ready for bed.
But it's only 9:30.
I'm well aware of what time it is, young man.
But we never go to bed this early, especially not on weekends. Dad always lets us stay up until whenever we want.
Well, your father is not here now, is he? I am here. And while I am here, I am in charge. Understand? Anyway, sleep is good for the soul. It cleanses the spirit and replenishes the body. Now, come on. No dawdle. Upstairs.
And to think this is only Friday night. Hell can't be any worse than this. Yeah.